I'm not going to aspirate because I'm not concerned. I'm not worried about it going intramuscular. Okay, so now I'm going to lean against him, and so I have a good strong base. And I'm going to go here. It's going to feel like a little stick and a burn. So now I'm going to go ahead and do 4 units here. So I'm going to go just next to it. It feels like a little pinch and a burn.
Good patient.
No. And I'm usually much faster than this. They're paying good money to come in and see you. Don't let them leave with blood on their face. Wipe those areas off. We have makeup, like makeup in the front of the spa. So I'll go out or have one of the estheticians go out and help them cover it up. Okay?